So we're out here on Lake Pepin today, just trying to prove the theory that there is other opportunities on the vast waters of Pool 4 late in the fall, early winter than just going up to the dam where the migration of saugers and walleyes goes up there for sure, but it also brings the masses and the crowds with it. So I told Chase today, I said, hey, let's go down on the lake. There's opportunities down on Lake Pepin. There's mid-lake points with deep water access. There's shoreline rock with deep water access. And you can generally go down there and throw jigs, hair jigs, jigs and plastics, some blade baits mixed in there, and catch a variety of fish and typically some nice walleyes along the way without seeing a lot of boats, if any at all. So you don't always have to go up to where the masses are. There is opportunities here to get away from the crowds and go do your own thing.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.